In a world where work is moving faster, teams are becoming more remote, and tasks are piling up like never before, productivity tools have become essential. But let's face it, most project management platforms either try to do too much or too little. That's where ClickUp stands out. ClickUp isn't just a task manager. It's an all-in-one work management platform that brings together everything you need to plan, track, and execute your work in one place. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur trying to juggle a dozen projects, a growing business managing client deliverables, or a team leader trying to keep everyone on the same page, ClickUp has the flexibility to adapt to your unique workflow. But with great power comes a learning curve. And that's exactly what this guide is here for. This beginner's walkthrough is designed to take you from just signed up to ready to organize and manage work like a pro. Instead of overwhelming you with every feature ClickUp has to offer, we'll focus on the essentials, the structure, the tools you'll use daily, and the habits that will help you and your team stay on top of things. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid foundation in how ClickUp is structured and why that matters, how to set up your first space, folder, list, and task, how to manage your day-to-day work visually and efficiently, how to automate repetitive tasks, and how to collaborate with others seamlessly. So whether you're completely new to project management tools or migrating from something like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com, this guide is your practical companion to mastering ClickUp step by step. Ready to turn chaos into clarity? Let's dive in. So, you just signed up for ClickUp? Welcome. You're about to step into one of the most versatile productivity platforms out there. But don't worry, it's a lot easier to use than it might look at first glance. Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Creating your account. First things first, head over to ClickUp.com and hit Get Started. You can sign up using your email or with your Google or Microsoft account. It's completely free to begin with, and the free forever plan gives you access to a ton of features right out of the gate. Once you're in, ClickUp will ask you to name your workspace. This is basically the central hub where all your projects, tasks, and collaboration will live. You can invite teammates right away, or just explore on your own. Step 2. Understanding the ClickUp structure. Now, let's talk about how ClickUp is organized. Think of it like this. Your workspace is the house. Inside it, you have spaces. These are like big rooms for each department, project, or theme. Within spaces, you create folders, which group related work. Inside each folder, you'll find lists. These are your to-do lists or task buckets. Then come the tasks and subtasks, which are your actual action items. Once you understand this hierarchy, navigating ClickUp becomes a breeze. Step 3. Creating your first space. Click on the plus new space button on the sidebar. Give it a name, maybe personal projects or marketing team, depending on your use case. You can customize it with a color, icon, and even choose what features you want to turn on, like time tracking or dependencies. Don't worry about getting it perfect right away. ClickUp is flexible, and you can adjust as you go. Step 4. Adding folders and lists. Inside your new space, create a folder. Let's say you're working on a website launch. Call the folder Website Launch, then add a couple of lists underneath, something like design tasks, content creation, and go live checklist. Each list acts like a mini project board, and this is where you'll start adding your tasks. Step 5. Creating and managing tasks. Now it's time to start planning real work. In one of your lists, click plus task and start adding the action items. For example, write homepage copy or create wireframe for landing page. For each task, you can assign it to someone or to yourself. Set a due date. Add priority levels. Break it into subtasks. Leave comments or attach files. Set it to repeat for recurring tasks. This is where the magic starts. You can keep everything in one place and never miss a beat. Step 6. Choosing the right view. ClickUp is famous for offering multiple views for your tasks. You can switch between. List view, great for detail-oriented people. Board view, Kanban style like Trello. Calendar view, to see what's due when. Gantt view, for managing timelines and dependencies. Box view, helpful for managers to track team workloads. You can toggle between views with a click, and each project or list can have its own default view. Choose what makes sense for your workflow. Step 7. automating your workflow. ClickUp lets you set up automations to save time. Want to move tasks automatically when their status changes? Or send a reminder when a due date is missed? You can do that. Just click on automations in any list and browse the available templates or build your own custom workflow. It's a real time saver. Step 8. Using docs for notes and wikis. ClickUp also has a built-in docs feature. You can create meeting notes, wikis, SOPs, or even full project briefs right inside the platform. You can connect docs to tasks, share them with your team, or even publish them externally. It's like Google Docs, but smarter and integrated with your work. Step 9. Tracking time and setting goals. Need to track how long you're working on something? ClickUp includes native time tracking, where you can integrate with tools like Toggle or Harvest. You can also create goals to track progress toward your bigger objectives, like write 10 blog posts this month or close 20 sales leads this quarter. Break them into measurable targets and link them to actual tasks. Step 10. Collaborating with your team. ClickUp makes team collaboration easy. You can tag people in comments, leave threaded discussions on tasks, assign items, and even chat inside the platform. If you work with clients or stakeholders, you can also add them as guests with limited access so they can see only what you want them to. Integrations, mobile app, and beyond. ClickUp works with all your favorite tools: Slack, Zoom, Google Calendar, Dropbox, Notion, and more. You can also set up automation using Zapier if you want ClickUp to talk to tools outside its ecosystem. And yes, there's a full-featured mobile app, so you can stay productive on the go. Learn as you go. If you ever get stuck or want to learn more, visit ClickUp University for free courses. Explore their help docs. Join the ClickUp community to get advice from other users. Final thoughts. Starting with ClickUp can feel like walking into a control room with 1,000 buttons, but you don't have to use them all at once. Start small. One space, a folder or two, a few tasks, then build your system as you go. The beauty of ClickUp is that it grows with you. Whether you're managing your own side hustle or leading a 50-person team, it adapts to your needs. So dive in, explore, and don't be afraid to experiment. You'll be managing your work like a pro in no time. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will be bringing you more insights on various productivity tools. This is a Minute with AI. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Until next time, it's bye for now.